Hey everyone, I hope you saw a previous video where I introduced you to algorithms. If you haven't watched, pause this video here and watch that one first. Now that you have watched our previous video, just tell me, do you follow a step-by-step written instruction for brushing your teeth daily? No, right? We follow what suits us best and what is taught to us by our parents. Similarly, not all written instructions for programming are algorithms. For some instructions to be an algorithm, they must have certain characteristics. The algorithm should be unambiguous, each step should be clear and must lead to only one meaning. If an algorithm says to take inputs, it should be well-defined inputs. The algorithm must clearly define what output will be yielded and should be well-defined as well. The algorithm must be finite. It should not end up in infinite loops. The algorithm must be simple, generic, and practical. The algorithm designed must be language independent. That is, it must be just plain instructions that can be used in any programming language, and yet the output will be the same as expected. To understand how to design and implement an algorithm, you can book a demo with us. The details are mentioned in the description box. At Tinkerly, we don't just teach you algorithms, but also how to use these algorithms in different computer languages. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any future videos.